Timothy here, holistic nutritionist. So I'm here indulging in nature. It feels so good. You can probably hear the birds cheeping. There's some sheep in the background. And I just want to tell you what some of the health benefits of nature are. So nature is so powerful. It helps to improve our memory when we're exposed to nature. It helps us be less distracted and have better attention span. It improves your immune system. It lowers stress and anxiety. And being in nature actually lights up areas of the brain associated with love and empathy and pleasure. So it makes us happier individuals and nicer people too. So I hope you enjoy this little video of sharing the health benefits of nature, and I hope you go and get your daily dose today. Thanks for watching and have a joyous day.